In this video, I will show you the tutorial to way to turn off your cell phone Redmi Note 15 series. In the first way, you can using the power button. Press the power button, volume up and the power. Volume up and power press it together, and you can select to power up or reboot. And if you want to turn off without power button, you can go to the setting menu. And then you can select on additional setting, tap on accessibility, enable the accessibility menu, tap on allow, select the customize button, tap on allocation, select on navigation bar, and you can see there is the shortcut to do power up or restart, reboot, or another function. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.